Today I'm going to show you how to get rows using Excel in N8N, step by step, so you can quickly pull data from your spreadsheet and use it inside your automation workflow. This is a simple but powerful setup, especially if you want to read customer lists, order data, lead information, or any other table-based data stored in Excel. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick N8N tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel. Once you see the Microsoft Excel node, select it and add it to your canvas. This is the node you'll use to connect N8N with your Excel file and read the data inside it. After the node is added, the next step is to choose Get Rows. This option tells N8N that you want to fetch multiple rows from your spreadsheet rather than creating or updating data. Once you select Get Rows, you'll be able to configure the node with the details it needs to find the correct Excel file and sheet. Now, it's time to configure the node by giving the required details. Start by connecting your Microsoft account if you haven't already done that. Then select the workbook you want to use. After that, choose the specific worksheet or table where your rows are stored. Make sure the file and sheet are correct, because this is what determines which data N8N will pull into your workflow. Next, set any additional options you need for your data. Depending on your setup, you may be able to define filters, choose a range, or control how many rows are returned. If your spreadsheet has headers, make sure the node is configured to read them properly so your data comes in with clear field names. This makes it much easier to use the output in later nodes. Once everything is filled in, save the node and run the workflow. N8N will connect to Excel and get the rows from your selected sheet. You should then see the spreadsheet data come through in the Output panel. If the rows appear correctly, that means the node is working as expected and your Excel data is now ready to be used in the rest of your automation. From here, you can connect the output to other nodes like filters, condition checks, email actions, database updates, or AI tools. That's the real power of getting rows from Excel in N8N. You can take structured spreadsheet data and turn it into a fully automated workflow. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more N8N step-by-step tutorials. And if you want more automation guides like this, make sure to stick around for the next one.